For over 55 years, we've helped brands bring packaging projects to life. But the truth is, what we do goes far beyond manufacturing packaging. At Winalda Packaging, we act as a strategic partner to our customers. We help solve complex packaging problems. We develop structures that improve functionality and help operations run smoother. We find ways to balance sustainability, efficiency, and premium presentation. And we help brands create packaging that gives them an edge in their market. That's why we're introducing our new tagline, Your Unfair Advantage. Because our ultimate goal is to help our customers win. That mindset is built into every project we take on. Winalda Packaging, your unfair advantage.